Since this course is asynchronous, the way we will conduct critiques is through discussion boards. On the due date for each assignment, you will upload your work both to the assignment portal and your finished work to the discussion board. To show you how to do this, I will walk you step by step through this process. For this project, go to Reinventing the Color Wheel module. Once there, find the discussion for Reinventing the Color Wheel. When you click on that, it will lead you to the discussion board prompt. For each prompt, I will tell you exactly how to lay out your paragraph. I will also tell you how to respond to another's work. So, for example, in this project we explored the different aspects of color such as hue, value, and saturation. In one paragraph, introduce your piece, write about how you use the elements of color and design in your project, write about how you use tints and shades, write about something you're unsure of, such as any trouble with the paint, any craft issues, etc. Write about something you were proud of, such as proud of handling paint cleanly, use of color, craft, anything along those lines. And then in response to someone else's work, you will need to respond to two other students' works with a response. In a short paragraph, you will write about an area that succeeds and why you think so, about an area that could use some work and why you think so, write about what you enjoy about the work, and explain why. There will be a limit of 2 responses to each work. If a student already has 2 responses to their work, find another student's work to respond to. Keep the discourse civil. We're looking for constructive critiques. Any disrespectful comments will receive a 0 on their entire project, and I do mean this. Okay, to upload my work, what I'll do is hit the reply button to the original prompt. Then go down into the text block, write your paragraph. Once you're finished writing the paragraph, hit the Enter key twice. This will keep you from having any formatting issues when you're uploading your painting. Please be sure to put your name at the top of your post, as well as your response. Then to upload the painting, what I'll do is I'll go to Upload Image. This will bring up this tab. I'll click on Upload Image, and then I'll sort through the files until I get to where I want, Test Student Ewan. All right, I'll select this. I'll hit Decorative Image to get rid of alt text, and then Submit. This will bring it up underneath my text. And then I'll hit Post Reply. There we are. Now we'll just pretend I'm a different student and I'll repeat the process. So instead of replying to the test student, I will be replying to the original prompt. So I'll just type in just a paragraph, literally just for text, so that the image has some text to work with. Go back up to Picture Upload. Upload an image. I'll just drag and drop this image. Okay, and then I'll go to Decorative Image to get rid of that alt text. Hit Submit. And there it is. We can play around with the size of the picture a little bit. If you go to Image Options, it'll allow you to have different dimensions. So this is custom. It's the original size. If we go to Medium, it's about this size. We can go a little larger. Again, by going to Image Options, we'll go to Large, click Done, and it's only a little larger. If we hit click Image Options again and go to Extra Large, it becomes a little larger, but I still like to see detail in paintings, so we'll go with the original custom size every time. Okay, so you'll have your paragraph, and then post that, and if you want to respond to another student's work, you'll respond directly to their post instead of the prompt. So for example, I want to add a comment to test student Ewan's work. What I'll do is I'll reply directly to them. I'll write something along the lines of, I enjoy the way you composed your image. Lines are a bit crooked, paint could be a little thicker, maybe a little more even. I think the colors look pretty accurate. I like the way you made your work 3D with tints and shades. So what you'll do then is you'll post reply, and your comment will be posted directly under the person's work. We will do a total of 2 responses per piece. So if you see the comments filled on one person's work, please respond to somebody else's piece. So in all, you're responsible for posting your own work, writing about it, and then doing a response to 2 other students. And this concludes how to use the discussion board for critiques. Each discussion board will be open the day the project is due, so you can upload finished work. So for example, this project is due on January 30th, so I'll open up the discussion board on that day. I will leave the discussion boards open for 1 week past the due date. Be sure to participate in this as it does contribute to your final grade.